Hi, today we are going to see how to change background color in Photoshop. For changing background color, first open your image in Photoshop. Then click on this icon and choose hue and saturation. And now here you can change your background color, saturation, lightness as you want. Simply keep this image like this, and I'm just collapse the properties icon. Now if you want to remove the color from your subject, then choose brush and choose this white icon, click on it, and then make sure that the black is on top. If white is on top, then click on this icon, the black will be in the front. Now remove the color from your subject. So this is the before and this is the after. So this is how we can change background color in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.